Dear viewers, in this video we will observe how we can control our Wi-Fi connection with mobile app. Using this app we can find out who are using my Wi-Fi connection instantly. We can block unwanted users but they will not find out that he or she is blocked, and also a parental control feature. There are different apps for controlling Wi-Fi connection like TP-Link Tether app for TP-Link Wi-Fi router, Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi router Wi-Fi connection. Also D-Link and Tenda Wi-Fi router apps are available. At first we will have to download the app from Google Play Store. For my case, I am using a TP-Link router, so I will have to download TP-Link Tether app from Google Play Store. At first we will go to Google Play Store and we'll search for TP-Link Tether app. This app will provide us different features for controlling the Wi-Fi connection. Now open this app. At first we will have to create an ID, and for creating our ID we will have to use our Gmail ID, also password for fast registration process. A verification mail will be sent to our mail address. Now click on sign up button. We will have to complete the verification process by going to our Gmail app. We will go to our Gmail app. Here a email has already arrived, and click finish to registration. The user will be registered. Activation is successful. Now we will go back to our Tether app. We will provide our Gmail ID and password through which we are registered. This app will find the connected Wi-Fi connection. In my case, it's a Fognet Wi-Fi connection. That is my router SSID, and I am connecting. Now click on add and we'll find the router. We'll have to enter our admin password, user ID and password. And we can see how many clients are connected. There are 5 clients are connected. This is my Fognet, and where I am connected to this Fognet connection. If I click, I will see every of my connected devices, and this device is my laptop. So I am changing the icon. Also can change the name of this device. So every of the device can be renamed our known devices, and if anyone is unwanted device, we can block. For my case, I am blocking my laptop connection, and if I block this laptop connection, my laptop connection will not be disconnected, but it will not be able to access any internet connection. So the blocked user will not get idea that the administrator has blocked him or her. It's showing that my laptop is connected, but it is not getting any internet connection. When I unblock, the device will get internet connection. So this is a great feature for blocking any user without letting him or her know that I have blocked that user. We can also share the connection using a QR code generated through this app. We can also use many other features available in this app. Parental control can be applied. At first, we'll have to turn off the parental control, and we'll have to select which devices are our child devices. That means those devices will not be able to access any website which are not listed. I am For testing purpose, I am adding my laptop connection as a child device, also a mobile phone connection as a child device. We will have to define which website this child device will be able to use. For testing purposes, google.com is being defined as the allowed website which the child devices can access. Except this google.com, they will not be able to access any other link. We can also create schedule from when to when the child devices will remain within the parent control. We can also turn off the parental control if not necessary. We can also check our connection anytime without going to the router's premises. It's showing that the router connection is okay, also the internet connection is okay.